Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now I am going to explain here Hamming code error detection and correction. This is my another topic in digital electronics series. So here let's suppose we are taking a question that if receive Hamming code is 1010001 with even parity, it can be odd parity or even parity. Detect and correct the error. So here first of all we have to find out that number of bits and number of parity. So total number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in a 7-bit Hamming code, you can check by 2 to the power p greater than equal to n plus k plus 1. You can check there will be parity will be 3. Okay, I have explained how can we calculate the parity. So here the parity will be 3. So you can refer my previous lecture for this. So here we will make 7-bit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7-bit message and 3 parity, and the position of parity will be 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 and so on. So there is 3 parity. The parity will be 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2 and 2 to the power 3 is 4. So parity 1, parity 2 and parity 4 here. Now we will check the position of parity. I will explain this session again to you. So here you will check the P1 is, you can check P1, check 1, skip 1, starting from 1, check 1, skip 1, check 1, skip 1. So P1 will be 1 3 5 7. So P1 will be 3 5 7 because 1 is P1 itself. So here you can check the messages 1010001. So here P1 is 1 and the parity is 3, in 3 is 0 and 5 is 1 and 7 is 1. So you can check for even parity. Okay, I have explained you XOR condition. Okay, so we have to do XOR between these. So we can do XOR between these. So answer will be 0. So for even parity you can check, or we can take some another example also, or another method can also be there. That method is, you should check for even parity number of ones is 1, for even parity number of ones is even, and for odd parity number of ones is odd. So here you can check number of ones is 2. So for even parity it could be 0. It should be 0, I think. It should be 0. So but it is 1. So this is the wrong. Okay, the even parity is wrong. So position of P1 can be 0 here. Now we will do P2. P2 will be starting from 2, check 2, skip 2, 2 3 4 7 4 5 skip 6 7. So 3 6 and 7. So 3 is 0 and 3 4 5 skip, 6 is 0 and 1, plus minus and plus minus. For even parity P2 should be 1 because number of ones is 1, but here P2 is 0. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Now here P4 will be check 4, skip 4, 4 5 6 7. So 5 6 7 and no other number are there. 5 6 7. So 5 is 1, 6 is 0, 1 is 1. For even parity this is correct. Okay, and P4 is 0. So even parity, or you can check this one also. So if you do XOR, answer will be 0 and P4 is 0. So this is correct. Now P4, P2, P1. Okay, P4 is 0, P2 is 0 here. Okay, P2 is P2 is 1. P2 is, this is XOR will be 1 and this will be incorrect because P2 is 0. So here P2 will be 1 and P1 will be 1. P1 will be 1. So the value is P4, P2, P1. P4 is 0, P2 is 1 and P1 is 0. So decimal equivalent you can check here. This is second bit. This is second bit error. The error is in second bit. So we should make a error. This is error signal 010 in second error. So this is error syndrome. That is 7 bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second bit error. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 bit error is 1. Other one is 0. So received data is, what was our message? 10100001. So here 10100001. Now received data is, now corrected data is received data XORing with error data. So 10 is 1, 10 is 1, 000, 000, 101, 000, 1. This is extra. So this is our corrected data 10100011 here. Now you can check our received data 10100001. 10 received data was 1010001, or we get second bit error and we have corrected this error by 0 to 1 here, and other data is same. So this is Hamming code detection and correction. So I am giving you some question for your practice. So question is, if received Hamming code is 10101010 with odd parity, detect and correct error. Okay, so you have to know, you should know that the parity is odd. So if you do this, you will do this for the odd parity. Okay, you will check it for the odd parity. So number of ones will be 2, even this will be 0. This can be 0, this should be 0. And 001, this is odd, though this should be 1. And P2 010, this is even, and this should be 0, and this is 0. So this is correct parity, and this is wrong, and this is wrong parity. Okay, so this is our shortcut. If you don't want to do XOR, you simply check number of ones, even or odd. So this is my session for Hamming code error and correction. Please subscribe my channel for more video. I will upload maximum number of videos as soon as possible. Please subscribe my channel, spread it to the other also. Thank you. Good day. Stay home. Take care.